We remove the back cover. We release the screws from the top of the device. Very carefully, we remove the upper antenna. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. Remove the screws from the bottom of the device. We remove the plastic protection, which is located at the bottom of the device. Here we have the connector of the screen. Before glue the new screen, you must check if the screen is working properly. With the help of a heat gun, we apply 90 Celsius degrees during 4 minutes. Now we remove the flex. We disconnect the coaxial antenna. With the help of the spudger, we remove the sub-motherboard. It's time to remove the broken screen. We apply industrial adhesive glue depending on the color of the device. Now it's time to install the new screen. Now we return with the assembly process. We have finished the assembly process.